creamy pistachio chicken curry, an absolutely divine dish, rich, nutty, and luxurious, yet so simple to make. Join me and Mum in the Burmawala kitchen as we put together this masterpiece in no time. We start with 500 grams of chicken breast, cut into lovely chunks. To this, we add 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of pulverised green chilies, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of danya jeera, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give it all a good mix. No need to marinate for long. This is a quick dish, but trust me, the flavours will be spot on. On to the cooking pot. We're adding 1/2 cup of oil and bringing it to medium heat. In goes our marinated chicken, and we start searing it straight away. This is where we build that deep flavour while locking in all the juices. You'll instantly get hit with the warm, sweet aroma of the cardamom, properly mouth-watering. Since we're using boneless chicken breast, this step won't take long. Just 5 minutes and we're good to go. Next, we add 1 cup of pulverised fresh coriander, including the stalks. Don't waste them, they're packed with flavour. This vibrant green paste not only gives us a gorgeous colour, but also adds a fresh, herby punch to the dish. Stir it in well, and within a minute, it will have worked its magic. Now, here's a little trick I use to speed up curry making. Instead of frying onions at the start, we're adding 1/2 cup of crushed fried onions now. It saves time, but still gives us that lovely onion sweetness and helps thicken the sauce. Give it a good mix and we're already halfway there. And now, the star of the show, 1/2 cup of powdered pistachios. This is what takes the curry to a whole new level, adding that beautiful nutty depth. Stir it in well, and you'll see the sauce thickening up beautifully. Just be careful, because we're working with ground nuts, it can catch at the bottom, so keep it moving. As soon as the pistachios are nicely incorporated, it's time for pure indulgence, a cup of luxurious double cream. Slowly mix it in, watching as the curry transforms into a velvety, rich masterpiece. Keep the heat low here, as cream can burn quickly, and we don't want any disasters at this stage. If the sauce is looking too thick, don't worry. Just add 1/2 cup of water to loosen it up slightly. Now, bring everything to a gentle boil, pop the lid on, and let it simmer on low for just 10 minutes. Remember, it's chicken breast. It cooks super fast, so no need for long stewing times. 10 minutes later, and we're nearly there. The oil has risen to the top, the chicken is cooked to perfection, and the aroma is absolutely next level. Give it a quick taste, it's already incredible. But now we need to get the consistency just right. If you like it thicker, turn up the heat slightly and stir for a couple more minutes until it's exactly how you like it. And as always, we finish with a generous handful of fresh coriander. It adds a burst of freshness and really takes the dish up a notch. And there we have it, our creamy pistachio chicken curry, looking absolutely stunning and tasting even better. It's rich, indulgent, and full of bold, nutty flavours. I love serving this with rice, but it's also fantastic with naan, or, if you're feeling fancy, both. It's a mild dish, making it perfect for the whole family, and it meal preps brilliantly too. Oh, and a quick reminder, after the amazing response to our last videos, we're keeping the competition going. Every comment on the video within the first 48 hours gets entered into a random prize draw for a free packet of our incredible spice blend, delivered anywhere in the UK. Thanks again for all the support. You lot are fantastic. As always, full ingredients and instructions are in the description below. Happy cooking!